Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Indrajit Nayak and you are watching Credit Minister. Will you going to believe me if I'll say that you will getting paid around $85.97, $50, $8,641, even $10,000 too, only by copy and pasting the videos? Yeah, you heard it right. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to create your videos, you don't even have to edit it. Is that possible? Yeah, it is obviously possible. You can see the proof in front of you that people were earning around $29, around $31 while uploading the videos only a few hours ago. Stay with me till end and I will going to share you the exact strategy of how you will going to pay from this website. So without any more further delay, let's roll the intro. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to visit youtube.com and there you have to search for the video which you think you can upload it on that website, right? So I am searching for some dog training videos, and the result which is available here were the videos related to dog training, but these were not copy and paste material. So what we have to do is we will going to click on Creative Commons, and the video which we will going to see now is 100% copy and paste material. You have to download this video from YouTube and upload it on that website, right? So for downloading this on YouTube, just copy the link. If you are not from USA, you can add double S in front of YouTube and you can easily download it from from net, right? So here we go. If this website is somehow blocked into your country, then you can just visit yt1s.com and from there you can just download this video. I have already downloaded this video, so I'm just going to guide you with the further steps. It will be better if you gather some affiliate link for that video, right? Just because my video is related to dog training, so I'm going to get some affiliate link related to that dog training videos, right? So you don't have to do anything, you just have to click sign up and you just have to fill these details, and they were not going to ask anything serious related to this, so you don't have to worry about that. So just sign up, and after sign up just log in into your account and click on that marketplace sign, and here you have to search for the dog training products, right? So these were the dog training products. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort it by an average dollar per conversion. Here we got the first product which is worth of $99. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on promote, and there I'm just going to type video, just because I'm going to promote it through video. So I'm just going to generate hop link, and this is the hop link which I needed to promote through that video, right? I'm just going to copy it and I'm just going to paste it over here, and you got your video downloaded, you got the affiliate link. Now what you have to do is you have to head towards the website rumble.com. Stay till end and I'm going to tell you what is the real procedure of getting your video monetized. What you have to do is now click on sign in the upper right hand section. You are going to get a link related to creating an account. Now you don't have to touch anything related to publisher and business, just because this will going to limit your access, right? So what we will going to do is we will going to click on free account. Now let me fill up this form quickly. So I have filled out some random details where you can see that I have added some temporary emails, and in the referrer section you can add my username so that I can watch your progress from my dashboard only, right? So after this you have to click on agree and then register. A verification link will arrive onto your email. So this is the primary email, this is the temporary email what I'm using right now. So you have to click on that activate your account, and your account has been successfully activated. You have to click on that video camera icon, and there you have to click on upload video, and there you have to upload your video by selecting it. So here is the video which I have downloaded. I'm going to add a proper title for this. It will be better if you select their title only. Going to add my affiliate link which I have copied from ClickBank. You have to go to Bitly, and from there you have to just paste that link and just sort in, right? So here I got the link which seems to be clickable. So earlier it was seemed to be spammy, but now it seems to be an URL. Just going to add some random thumbnail, or else you can choose the video thumbnail only. You have to add some kind of tags over here. So once the video get uploaded, I will just get back to you. So as you get your video uploaded, just choose the thumbnail which is related to the video, and after that you have to click on upload. Now this is where you have to take care of, right? Licensing options: exclusive, excluding YouTube; non-exclusive, similar to YouTube; and not monetized, not searchable, available to your subscriber only, right? So this section is something which I guess not any one of you wanted to upload videos for, right? And the section Rumble only, this video will only be exclusive for Rumble, not on YouTube, right? And the video management section is similar to this thing only, that the video will going to available on other platforms which is the partner of Rumble, except on YouTube, if you think that your video is something copyrighted or anything related to that, right? And the last thing, or the first thing I should say, video management related to exclusive. This is where most of the videos will going to be uploaded on. right? You have to check this box if your video is not copyrighted, if your video is somehow original, if you find some time to create your videos for Rumble, then you can check this option, right? So I'm just going to click here. What it is saying is that you will be entitled to 90% of the net advertising revenue on YouTube and 60% of the net advertising revenue on all other websites where we place your videos. We will going to get 90% from YouTube and also going to get 60% of net revenue from the advertising partners. So after that you have to fill up these information. So if you think that your video is available on YouTube, just give that video URL. You don't have to worry about that. Your video will still be monetized. And after that you just have to click on those two boxes and submit. And in the right hand section you can click and check out your earnings from here. You can also check out analytics from this section only. So this is how you can going to earn money by uploading videos on Rumble. You don't have to create any videos, you just have to copy and paste the videos or download the videos from YouTube and upload it on Rumble, and that's it. Just like others, you can also have chance to earn around $8,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to our channel Credit Minister for more such videos, and I will going to share more such videos with you. Till then, it's Indrajit Naik signing out. Bye.